Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Touchpad work normally after booting start lagging when freezing become lot of issues so related to touchpad. So first method, disable touchpad power saving mode. So click to start, type device manager, then extract human interface device, and this is touchpad. Right click to property. Okay, now power options and uncheck this and then click to OK and then close it. Now guys need to update the driver, but click to start, type touchpad. If you are connected external mouse like USB mouse, so just click to on, off and re-on. Okay, and this is value is 33. Yeah, then property, device, update detail. Okay, so this is driver is installed. Okay, all event, click to view event. Okay, now you can see if your system issue, so it will show like this. Okay, and you can see here all error and error code all related, and after that you can see copy and paste. Okay, USB is connected, was started, and with time also. Okay, so this is log, so you can share with me this log. Close it and then close. Next guys, install latest driver, open any browser. So guys, which company are you using the laptop? Suppose I am using the Asus laptop. If you are using Dell, HP, Lenovo, so just enter the model number. Okay, Asus Vivo book. Okay, like this, and type touchpad driver. Okay, and then you can hit enter. If you are different using, so no worry about it, you can enter the HP this and driver. You can also add the Windows 11 and Windows 10. Okay, so this is download center, this URL, click on it. So you can enter the model number, otherwise you can click to directly automatically detect your model number. You just accept and click to start, and then view the driver tool, scroll down. So only Windows 10 11 operating system, you can select which is your required. Then this is a chipset driver, this is audio driver, this is graphic card driver, this is chipset driver, this is pointing device, and which is you can see touchpad driver, and click to download. So it will start, just single click, then click to yes, then you can select the language. Okay, next, I accept, next, install, next, install, yes. You can install later and complete the last method and then restart your system. So next method is click on start, in search type CMD, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So this is command, first copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed, so it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage, like 60% is stuck, it's not continue, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter. It will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see it is running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health, copy, control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google Forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is the 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay.